If you like your breakfast on the go, this easy and delicious smoothie is for you. Blueberry almond oatmeal smoothie for energy. Let's learn how to make it. To our blender, we're adding frozen blueberries, frozen bananas, oatmeal, Greek yogurt, almond butter, and vanilla extract, the milk of your choice. And if you want to sweeten it up, a squeeze of honey. You could also use agave nectar or maple syrup. But that's it on the ingredients, and it's time to blend. It's time to serve. Pour in your glass. Made with 7 simple ingredients everyone has at home. Ready in 10 to 15 minutes. If you like this one, link to the recipe is in the description. And I hope you give it a try. You won't be disappointed.